Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to make Sprite go back to its original position. So if you want to set the original position to Sprite, you can go to motion and we can use the go to motion. So like example, I will set into a 0 and a 0. Now if you double click, the sprite will be moved to the coordinate. Okay, the next you can use the events. When the flag click, it will be moved to the original position. So I will move into here. If you play, it will be moved to 0 0. After it, like example, you can create for the control here. I will use the forever if, and then for movings you can use the sensings key, right click press, right arrow press, and motions change x by 10. So if you play and then move to the right here, stop and play again, the object will be moved to the original position. Another examples, I will create for the pens and create a rectangle like at this point. Now if you moving the sprite and touching the sprite to, it will be moved to the original position. So you can set again control if, the next for sensing touching sprite to and go to original position. So you can duplicate these motions, go to, and if you play and then move, it will be back to original position. You also can set for the time in here with the control, wait 1 second before go to original position. You can stop play and it will be moved to the original position after 1 second. Okay, that's it for a basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial. How to make Sprite go back to its original position.